I want you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to get up right now and go to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore.
I'm mad as hell, and I'm not going to take it anymore. Now, I use that quote from the 1976 movie Network. And the reason why I use that quote is because of a change that apparently is a design by LinkedIn for messaging LinkedIn members who have sent us an invite. And I can no longer see the ongoing message unless I accept their invite. Which, by the way, the reason I'm messaging them in the first part is to find out if I should or should not connect with them on LinkedIn. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I go to LinkedIn, I go to my network. By the way, I'm very purposeful. I manage all of my invites right here. And the reason why I manage them right there is not only can I reply to this person, but I can also message this person. And the purpose in me sending these messages before I hit the accept or the ignore button is to determine if I should or should not hit the accept or the ignore button. But here's what's happened. So if I click on reply, it brings up an empty box. But yet I know very well there's a message because I can see it right there. Now, same thing here. If I hit reply, go down here, a week ago, this person sent me an invite. I'm pretty sure I sent them a message. I want to see what the message I sent them. I want to see what their reply is. So right there is reply. I should bring up the message box, and it brings up nothing. But to make things even worse, LinkedIn says I have to go search my message threads. This is the LinkedIn help telling me I have to go search my message thread, even though I've got a message box there that's empty. So I go over here, click on message. I go up here and type in SHUBHAM, and I have to wait. And there it is right there. And look, I click on it to bring it up, and it didn't bring it up. Because I can't have the empty box. I have to close this down. I have to go over here and do SHUBHAM. And bring it up. Look, I'm waiting. Bring it up. Now I can read the message that I've sent him and his engagement with me for me to determine if I should or should not connect. This is ludicrous. This is making me mad as hell, and I'm not going to take it anymore. I think that LinkedIn is either they're trying to do something that they haven't told us they're going to do yet, or they've decided that it's not important enough for us to be able to see the message thread, for us to make the decision to connect or not connect. Remember, LinkedIn very clearly says in their terms and services, words to this effect, we should only connect with people we know. Well, I don't know these people, so I'm trying to figure out if I do know them. I'm trying to figure out if I want to know them. And in order to do that, there has to be some level of engagement. And it's making it this functionality, this design functionality is making me mad as hell. I'm not going to take it anymore. So here's my question to you. Is this happening to you? I've tested this on multiple accounts. I've tested this on different browsers, and it's happening on all of them. How is this impacting your ability to effectively network? How is this impacting your efficiency using LinkedIn networking and LinkedIn messaging? Do you think this is a good functionality or not? Do us a favor. Jump in on this conversation. Tag LinkedIn help. Tag product managers. Tag networking product managers. Tag the messaging product managers that you know at LinkedIn, and let them know if you think this is a great functionality, a great design, which according to LinkedIn help is by design, or if you think this is a problem. And if this is making you mad as hell, you're not going to take it anymore, write those words. I'm mad as hell, and I'm not going to take it anymore. And ask LinkedIn to join in to help us make this a better functionality. Thank you.
Just get up from your chairs right now. Go to
Where are you going? I don't want to see if anybody's yelling.
Open it and stick your head